Welcome to the Authentic Shop I channel. Thank you so much for supporting the channel. If you haven't subscribed, please click the subscribe button and help us reach 20,000 subscribers.
Number two.
This is the Authentic Shop I channel. We are here at Orlando Stadium. Orlando Pirates 1, Marumo Gallants 0. It's a Nedbank Cup semi-final. My brother, how's it?
Sharp, bro.
Sharp, thanks. How do you feel about the game?
No, the game was well. The problem is our players. Discipline.
Yeah.
The player of Masong, like Masongani. He holds the ball, he doesn't pass the ball. When the player is coming to take the ball and then he dives. That's a lack of discipline. But the players like Otto and Makaula, you can see they are working hard. But some players like Masonganye and Marco, he holds the ball long time, and he took time, and then when he take the ball and then took time, and then the supporters shout. So the coach must apply the discipline. If there is no discipline there, you can't go anywhere. Masonganye is going to cost the team. The way he plays, no, I don't like it.
And then who was your man of the match today?
I can say Makaula. I can say this boy, number 5, Civis. Civis was playing well. Civis and Makaula. Even Otto is. Yeah, but some players, other players there, no, didn't play well today.
Okay.
Especially this young boy, 33, number 33. Not Mbata. Ngota. No, he didn't play well today. No, he didn't play well. Even the long one, number 17, Mahoba. No, he didn't play well today. No.
No, thank you so much. Congratulations.
Thank you.